about to show you is called the Oaklands Mansion, you can see. And it says it was the home of the Manning family from approximately 1815 to 1884. So this house is quite old. And of course, good timing for the airplane. That's it right there. This is it. I'll give you a quick glance of it here. I will show you over here too. This is the museum and the admission place, but they happen to be closed today on a Monday, and thought I would show you what it looks like pretty up close and personal. Pictures I've seen actually look better, honestly, but I mean, it still looks nice, no doubt about that. I'll take you up so you can get a close look at the doors, but there's a straight on picture of it right there. Alright, I'm going to take you up here so you can get a good look at the doors there. They're pretty fancy. Should be able to make them out really good now. Here's this stairs right here. Nice wooden porch. And here you go. That's very tall. Gotta admit, that's pretty astounding. Just looking down one side of the porch. To my right as I look out. Down here to the left side of the porch as I look that way. You got all these rockers and little chairs here. I can see some chairs in there. Here, let's see if we can get a glance. Yeah, there you go. Get you a view in a little bit of this. Nice fireplace right there. And as we turn the corner, the porch ends right there. Got a little house back there. So, not sure what that is, but this little place, I could live in that. Little concrete picnic table out there, plenty of woods. And then this sidewalk made of brick. We got looking back through the porch again as we walk by. Not too shabby, huh? And then you can see all the way out through there. It's got a lot of land to it. There's a little building over there as well. And there's a sign. Let's go investigate that sign. Alright, so this is plantation life. Oakland's in the 1850 might best be described as a country estate. So you can get some information maybe from this. There's a lot of stuff there. I don't know if there's anything on the other side. There he is. Slavery. We were often in the field from the first approach of day till its last in a lingering ray. Had left us in the saving fodder time. Midnight often caught us in the field binding blades. Frederick Douglass. So there you go. There's a slave family of 1862 right there. And that's just a drawing, of course. And you can see single pin slave cabin right there. Alright, so I guess I can't imagine this is what they would live in, since it's definitely not a cabin, but it's a brick house. So there's that. Alright, we'll get you some more views of the main house as we walk up through here, and then we'll call her quits. So the windows are nice up at the top with the arch, the one in the middle anyway. The others are rectangular. But that middle one is nice and special. And then of course the archway with the whole door system there. Kind of hard to beat, huh? Well, guess I'll end it with that. So hope you enjoyed this mansion here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, I mean. And so I'll see you on the next one.